coastal Colleton. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following counties in South Carolina: Beaufort, coastal Jasper, Dorchester, inland Berkeley and tidal Berkeley, and the following counties in Georgia: coastal Bryan, coastal Chatham, coastal Liberty, and coastal McIntosh. The local time is 3:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ-23 in Beaufort. We are currently in tropical cyclone operations. Many of our normal forecasts will not be played so that we may bring you the latest information on the tropical system impacting our...
Alright, y'all. So, as you heard, tropical storm. I thought about taking a dive in the water, and I was like, you know what? That current looks a little strong. I might not do that. So I'm gonna just enjoy the view, smoke some weed, and yeah, chill out basically on the boat. So sounds about right. Just want to point out, I respect Poseidon. I don't want to piss off Poseidon. Please don't piss off Poseidon, because Poseidon can fuck you up, and will fuck you up if you don't pay attention. So, yeah, respect the waters, man. So, had our first night of rain and thunderstorms. Not fun, but is what it is. I got a plastic bag over the tiller, where the tiller starts. There's water that leaks through the tiller, and I sleep in the aft cabin, and the tiller goes through the aft cabin. So I'm getting wet while I'm sleeping, basically. So what I'm gonna try to do is use a zip tie and reduce the drip. So we still got some more rain coming, and yeah. Fuck this hurricane.
Coffee in the afternoon. I turn out the light and I head toward my room. I step out of my day away. My head feels like a heavyweight. My weight is getting heavyweight. I left my morning coffee in the kitchen. I stumble forward as my pocket, yeah, it's itching. And my phone buzzing off me, and my hair is standing straight from my skin. And I have no words left to say, but I pop open the microwave. My coffee gets warm this way. If only my soul could do the same. I might be in a better place. My head is just my creasing space. My wallet's like a paperweight holding me down. Don't want them just what they say. I cannot let them see my face. My body's like a big disgrace to the world I was to see today. I cannot just run and hide away. That will not work for my heart. I make my morning coffee in the afternoon. As clouds pass and I can see the moon. Maybe there's hope for us here. I cannot live without my fear. I make my morning coffee in the afternoon. As the clouds pass and I can see the moon. Maybe there's hope for us here. I cannot live without my fear.
Slept half the day before I make my morning coffee in the afternoon. All these haters out here peeking on my camera roll. Won't ever let you haters treat me like some pantaloon. All these cameras catching bodies like they Benny Boom. Man, I think I stumbled forward. Head in the clouds, no, I hate it and adore it. Light inside the tunnel, so you know I don't ignore it. Like Dora in a sense, cause now you know I'm gonna explore it straight up. Morning coffee in the afternoon. I see the clouds passing by, I start to see the moon. These raindrops upon my window pane. It's cold shivers and cold dinners, see sacrifices of it through my picture frame. No, there ain't nothing you can tell me. When I was down, ain't see nobody come and help me. I'm quick to block a hater shot and think I'm LB. I'm self-made, can't no other human sell me, yet and still
I'm on a coffee in the afternoon. As the clouds pass and I can see the moon. Maybe there's hope for us here, but could not live without my fear. I make my morning coffee in the afternoon. As the clouds pass and I can see the moon. Maybe there's hope for us here, but could not live without my fear. Without my fear.
Look at that rainbow at the end of the storm. Not a bad way to end it. Charleston, South Carolina. We made it. About to go under this drawbridge here. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. First bridge crossing on the ICW. Kind of went in a full 360, trying to slow down the boat, wait for the bridge to open. So, yeah.
Home board is Charleston, South Carolina. Land,